Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute. If you are new here, welcome, come on in. We're one big family here. But if you are not new and you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. I know there has been a lack of content recently and I can only apologise, but I have some brand new content coming your way, as well as all the vlogs that you love. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I am taking my page in a little bit of a different direction, so I really hope you enjoy the content that is coming up. Today, I am going to be showing you 3 ways that you can fold your bath towels so that they can be stored better and even displayed in a much nicer way. So I hope you enjoy. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up and share with everyone who you think would be interested in learning these tips on how to fold your towels. So let's get into the video and I'll see you in the next one. So the first fold is a tight fold and it's my personal favourite. So what you're going to do is smooth out your towel onto a flat surface and fold lengthways. I'm using my bed, so please forgive me. It's the biggest area that I had to do this. My towel has the pattern only on one side. If you have the pattern on both sides, you won't really need to do this step, I don't think. I'm now going to flip the towel over so the pattern is on the bottom and the folded edge is nearer to myself. Then you're going to fold it up into thirds, smoothing as you go along just to make sure it's as neat as possible. You'll end up with like a rectangle sausage shape, and please note that the pattern is still on the bottom of the towel. You're then going to create the tight fold by folding it in thirds again lengthways. And there you go. Here's a close-up so you can see the pattern is on the outside and there's a nice neat tight fold. The second style is more of a loose fold, so the same as the first one, we're going to smooth it out onto a flat surface and fold it lengthways. Again, I'm going to flip the towel with the folded edge nearest to me because I have pattern on one side of my towel. And you're going to fold it in thirds again. But this time you're going to bring the top edge down towards yourself, so the pattern will end up on the top, like so. Then I'm going to flip it over and then just fold it in half, and that's it. So you can see there's a nice, neat, not so tight fold, and the pattern is also showing on the top of the towel. The final style is like a spa roll kind of fold. Again, you're going to flatten out your towel and then grab the top corner of the towel and bring it down towards you to create a triangle. You're then going to grab the top part of the towel, the top edge, and fold it down towards you. I've then flipped the towel around just for ease for you to see what I'm doing, but you are now going to grab the flat edge, not the pointed edge, the flat edge of the towel, and tightly roll it up. As you roll it, just keep smoothing the towel just to make sure that it doesn't bunch up and it remains quite tight and clean. And just keep going until you reach the tip of the towel. Once you reach the tip, you'll see that the tip is sticking out. So just grab the point and tuck it into the edge of the towel, like so. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try any of these folds, please leave a comment and even tag me on Instagram so I can see you with your towel folds. I will see you in the next one. Bye.